Namaskar and Shivasti, my dear beloveds. We continue to be woven together, to be locked in this time and space of confusion, of unsurety, of some element of fear, definitely, of not knowing clearly what tomorrow holds for all of us across the globe. A tiny virus is affecting and affecting the entire world, and our earth is sending out so many messages to us. We've been talking about this for a while now, ever since this started. So yesterday at dawn, really, very early in the morning, it was still dark and the first birds were just beginning to wake up with their song, and I woke up to a very, very clear meditation, a clear message that needed to be shared with the feminine elements and aspects of this land, our earth. And when I say the feminine aspects, of course, I can address cognitively only our human sisters and our circle of power women, energetic and physical power women. But pray, do not try and term this as a gender specific or a feminist, non-feminist stand. All genders are equally important and equally potent in the whole matrix of creation, the matrix of balance, the matrix of maintenance and dissolution of all creation. But this message has come very clearly for a kind of energy contribution that Mother Earth wants from her daughters, from Earth goddesses, as I seem to be sensing the presence as elements of her being, her consciousness, her energy, who we walk upon her bosom as the daughters of Earth. And she's asking of a certain amount of contribution from us, certain energy to be poured into her to help restore her balance, to help heal her, to hold her as she reigns in and reclaims what is hers, what is forever hers. We've made the mistake of too long thinking that we are the dominant species and we have some kind of control or sovereignty over existence. We've even tried to play God, but she will show us, in many ways she will show us that we are very, very precious, very, very important, but definitely not her. So calling upon as many daughters, as many earth goddesses, as many warriors of the earth to come forth, healers, light workers, shamans, modern energy workers, ancient consciousness and light beings, Devis, Yakshanis, Dakinis, all are creature feminine. Every feminine aspect upon this earth to come together and join us in contributing this energy unto Earth, Mother Earth, as she restores the balance, as she reclaims the balance. So what came very clearly, in my images, I don't usually share what I experience in my meditation. I like to study that for months, maybe years, put in cognitive studying of texts and understanding and wisdom, seek teachers to learn it in the physical realm, and then share whatever little I learn along the way with all of you. But this really came clearly to be shared because at this time she needs this contribution. So I saw vast and infinite layers and layers of land, various features of land, mountains and valleys and meadows and grasslands and deserts and rivers and oceans, every possible climb, every possible kind of topography and geography, infinite expanses of land. And upon those infinite expanses, there was movement of just various forms of hands and feet. You can't see my feet right now. I'll move back later when I work with the feet. But I just saw these lissom and very, very sensuous and giving, nurturing, and at times powerful and bold gestures and symbols of hands and feet. And what came very clearly to me is that we must give this energy in the form of adorning, in the form of worshipping, in the form of looking after and caring for our own hands and feet in the coming days. The time, I had earlier put it as 8 o'clock, thinking it's going to be like a sensible time to share something, but very clearly I was told it has to be 11:11. I hope by the time this upload comes up, I don't miss that 11:11 time for tonight. But tomorrow onwards, we can practice at 11:11 in our own homes, in our own caves, in our own dens, in our own spaces, and continue contributing to the earth for at least 11 days. If you're here today, let's continue this for at least 11 days. Today, I'm going to be preparing. I've not adorned my hands or my feet except for the piles that I wear. Usually you'll see them maybe when I move back. Tonight we'll do a little preparation of soothing and calming and spoiling and pampering our hands and feet before we go into any practice. So I have here, you can use a moisturizer, ideally natural oil. This is a blend of hibiscus, rose, sandalwood, and tulsi that I have made for myself. I use it for my hair as well. It's excellent for hair. And I'm going to be using this to massage and activate 3 key marma points upon the hands and feet. So let's get into it. I'm going to take a little bit of oil. You can do this on your own. You can use whatever gives you the sense of presence and sense of calm and sense of beauty and sense of self-love that calls upon you. Rose and hibiscus work really, really well. For some it might be lavender, some might be turmeric and sandalwood. See what calls you. Today I was feeling red, definitely red. So taking a little oil in the hands, first just rub the hands with the oil, softening the hands. And I'm going to be showing you 3 marma points that we will activate or mobilize upon the palms, and the same coordinates upon the feet as well. So maybe we can do the feet tomorrow and we'll do the hands today and the Beej sounds or the mantra. So we'll begin with the Shipra Marma. We can do it by turns on both hands. The Shipra is between the thumb and the index. Feeling around. And you'll just know where that point is that is asking for energy. Just activating that. Somewhere just off the center. We're going to massage the Shipra Marma. I will put in a detailed note with the post so you'll know exactly what aspects and how relevant these are in this time, the fact that these marmas have come to me so strongly. Now, I will put in the notes, very detailed notes on how and what effect these have. Let's not get into the theory here. So the Shipra Marma, activating it. Then we will go to the Tala Hridaya, which is the core. The Tala Hridaya speaks for itself, right? The heart of the palm, the front and the back, both times. Is massaging and easing the Tala Hridaya, the heart core of your hands and sensing ease and love and restoration in the palms. So I'm going to be doing very short sequences now, but you can do it longer till you feel eased. Your whole hand seems to just go supple and soft. Easing. And lastly, the kurcha, which is at the base of the thumb. You can use an arc motion to ease the base of the thumb, front and back. I'll put in a diagram, I'll put in a photograph or a diagram to show you these points so you can practice in detail. And easing energy flow out through the wrist towards the heart, always massaging towards the heart. You can drop your palms together and feeling the hands going really supple. Let them move. Let them just flow with ease. Weaving energy, weaving your intention and invoking love, invoking nurturing, invoking nourishment, invoking softness. See, growth, cellular growth too in our body happens only when a texture is soft and moist and dewy. Hard soil will not allow germination. So as we ease our marmas, ease our energy points, we ease our own endocrinal system, and with the intent of easing these chakras upon the earth itself. So every time you go into your own marma points, you go into the energies of the earth and you're sending out ease and calm and relaxation and restoration to her. Once we've done this easing of the hands, we're going into the Shakti Mudra. The Shakti Mudra is simple. You just curl the middle and the first finger upon the thumb. Allow it to curl upon the thumb and let the ring and the little finger meet. Yeah. This is how you hold the Shakti Mudra. Now, in a mudra, remember, we don't ever just do the mudra. We attain the state of the mudra. We attain the sthiti of that mudra, the power or the emotion behind the mudra. So when it is the Shakti Mudra we are invoking the powers of creation. We're invoking the powers of restoration. We're invoking the powers of the mother who births all there is. Breathing in gently, becoming aware of your breath and holding a soft, supple hand in the Shakti Mudra. We're going to hold it in front of the heart. The shoulders are neutral, the elbows are not drooping or soft, they are emboldened and square but not stiff. You can move your arms. And as you breathe, gently becoming aware of moving inward into the breath as your eyes close upon themselves. Allow the eyes to close upon themselves. And breathe. Easy, relaxed breath. And you breathe into the mudra, into the state of the mudra of Shakti. The Shakti mudra eases the floor of the pelvis. So as you are seated upon your chair, upon a mat, upon the floor, you're seated at ease, allowing the spine to soften, releasing all weight of your body onto the earth, and allowing the state of the Shakti mudra to ease the floor of your pelvis and completely relax all that is below the navel onto the earth. Inhale and exhale in a flow of natural, normal breath. We are going to be doing the Ucharana of 3 Beej mantras, the Beej sounds of Shakti. Inhaling, holding the mudra for Mother Earth, pouring love, pouring restoration and power unto her as she reclaims her own. Opening up the heart center, holding the mudra before the heart. Inhale and exhale. The 3 Beej mantras that we will be doing the Ucharana, the tonation, are Ksham, Hum and Sam. Sham, Shakti, grounding and stability, rooting into the earth, pouring in all that is stable and sthayi, still, unto her core. Hum is prana of Surya energy, sun energy. It expands, it invigorates, it reclaims and nourishes and feeds. And Sam is the prana of the Chandra, of the moon. It is balancing, it is uniting, it is embracing and gathering the energies of all earth daughters and earth goddesses unto the heart center of Mother Earth. Sham, hum, sam with every exhale into the Shakti mudra. Inhale into the earth. Sham, hum, sam. 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 Sham Ham 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 Sam. Sham 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 Sham. Hum 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 hum. Sam 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 sam. Sham 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 sham. Hum 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 hum. Sam 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 sam. Sham Ham Sam. Sham Ham Sam. Sham Ham Sam. Allowing the ucharanas, the beejas of Shakti, Sham Ham Sam, reverberate out, pouring out from your heart unto the offering of Shakti Mudra, unto the heart of the earth. Exhaling Ksham and helping her ground, helping her stabilize and root. Exhaling Hum and radiating the prana shakti of the sun, nourishing, expanding, restoring and feeding her. Inhale and exhaling some balance, return, and healing through me unto Mother Earth. As I vibrate with the beejas of Shakti, I ground my energies so that we may ground with her. I expand my energies so she may expand infinitely. And I breathe as one with all Earth Daughters, with the energy of the feminine, the geometries of the feminine upon these lands, upon our home, this sacred earth. And as I heal, as I return to balance, I become one with her balance. May all be healthy and well and healed and whole again. Inhale into your navel and exhale, returning to the weight of your body, to the awareness of the present time and space, and allow your eyes to open themselves and release, gently release the mudra, return to an Atma Namaskara at the heart, and we pray for everybody, everywhere, to be safe, to be held and healed once again. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I wish you all so much love and so much of grounding, expansion and healing right now. Connect with Mother Earth. I'll come back tomorrow with the feet protocol, and enjoy the softness, enjoy the nurturing, enjoy the spoiling and pampering of your hands for tonight. Do the massage. I will put in the post detailed notes so you can massage the marma points, massage the whole wrist, and let the blood and the energy flow towards the heart. Become aware of the breath. Attain the sthiti, or the state of the Shakti mudra, and tone or do the ucharana of Ksham Hum Sam. Tomorrow morning you can adorn your hands. I'm going to be doing that. You can adorn your hands with jewelry, with henna, mehndi, with alta, with turmeric. Try having a bath with, before your bath, put some sandalwood and turmeric and almond and oils upon your hands and feet, and let them just be eased and relaxed before we meet again tomorrow. Shubham Bhavatu. Be well, be radiant, be Shakti Swarupa for our Mother. See you tomorrow.